A drone can see the world is useful. A drone that can touch, grasp, and place changes the mission completely. Hi, I'm Dr. Kamrul Islam. One of the most exciting frontiers in UAV robotics is aerial manipulation. Traditionally, drones have mostly been sensors in the sky, inspection, imaging, mapping. But 2025 and 2026 work on aerial manipulation systems shows that field moving towards drone equipped with onboard cameras, proximity sensing, and even multi-fingered robotic hands for choosing, transporting, and places objects in space. Why is that such a big leap? Because the moment a drone touches the world, the engineering changes completely. Now, you have to think about, for example, we have contact stability, center of mass shift, grasp timing, aerodynamics, disturbances, and more importantly, we can call it as precision during motion. That means aerial manipulation is not just at a gripper, it is a flight control under changing physics. And that is what makes it exciting. Because if drones can do this reliably, new missions open up. For example, we have contact inspection, then we have sample collection, then we go for the next stage we called as light assembly, then you have targeted retrieval, then we have intervention instead of observation. Now, my 2026 view is simple. The next step for drones is not just seeing more, it is interacting with the world without losing stability. Thank you.